Court calls the case. People versus Ament. Is it Endrick? Enrenreich. I never got that wrong.
This one starts chaotic right out of the gate. Judge Simpson barely calls the first case before the defendant explodes in protest, shouting, "I did nothing," as if that's going to calm the courtroom. What you're about to see isn't just legal drama. It's a masterclass in courtroom control, public meltdowns, and compassion colliding with consequence. This session unfolds like a roller coaster: defiance, confusion, heart, and even humor, all under the steady voice of Judge Simpson. Watch closely as moments of real human emotion pierce through the legal formality. You'll see frustration, laughter, and heartbreak, sometimes all within minutes. Stay till the end, because there's a decision so unexpectedly kind it leaves the whole courtroom silent. Let's dive into People vs. Andry, where courtroom order meets raw humanity.
Deputy Chief, Warren Brown.
Whoa. I did nothing.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Right here. Stay right here.
I did nothing. What did I do?
Stay right here.
I left 2 notes. One for the
Face me. Face me.
Good
And
morning.
don't ever do that again.
I left a piece of paper.
Ever do that again.
It's a piece of paper.
If you come out, you walk to that podium. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Yes, one.
Go ahead, counsel.
Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, being written on behalf of Mr. Amit Ehrenreich. Please state your name for the record.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name.
No,
Dana
you
from
will
the
state
forensic
your
center
name. You
had
will
first
state
met me
your
on
name.
of July 20.
Take him back.
Yet,
Take him back.
7 months later.
Because take him back. He'll follow the rules or not. Have a good day. We may call you back. We may not.
That phrase, "we may call you back, we may not," is courtroom code for "you just talked your way out of a chance." The defendant's behavior just cost him the right to speak further. It's rare to see a judge dismiss someone mid-hearing, but Simpson's doing exactly what's necessary: preserving order. Public defenders know this dance well. Defend hard, but don't die on the hill of disrespect. The moment a judge senses non-compliance, the case slows to a crawl. That's what we're seeing, a reset before things spiral. This whole exchange shows how fragile the balance of justice can be. One angry remark can undo weeks of legal work. Imagine being that public defender. You prep your arguments, then your client blows it in 10 seconds flat. Happens more often than you'd think.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, for the record,
For the record, what?
Mr. Ehrenreich remains incompetent, but I guess that.
Yeah, I know. And I think he technically has to be here. I don't know that he's forfeited the right. Ms. Hughes, are you okay? No, why embarrassed? What are you embarrassed about?
Sorry, I'm totally kind of just overwhelmed. I'm really sorry.
Okay, no, go ahead. She shouldn't be embarrassed by it. Okay, so we all have to be real. Had that been Blanche, he would have been punched. So I'm just saying. I mean, guy would have been tagged out, he'd be down.
Are we going to just pass this and then we'll come back later?
Court calls the case. Your name?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing on this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in the
For what?
jurisdiction hearing, put in a motion for dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it was.
Did you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It said they filed it and or at some time. I never.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed the motion.
Now we shift gears, from chaos to legal tangle. The discussion over jurisdiction might sound dull, but it's one of the most powerful tools a defense has. If a court lacks jurisdiction, it legally can't touch the case. Here, confusion reigns. Missing reports, mixed filings, competency questions. Simpson's tone softens. Less commander, more manager of chaos. The deeper issue? A defendant possibly incompetent to stand trial. Competency isn't about guilt. It's about understanding what's happening. If someone can't grasp the proceedings, the system pauses until they can. It's slow but essential. The law requires due process, not speed. What's wild is the contrast. Moments ago we had shouting. Now, bureaucracy's in full swing. From rage to routine. And that's courtroom life in a nutshell. Would you slow everything down for fairness or push forward for closure?
We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, Your Honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And then it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that you, counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. They can attempt to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
Talk to.
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, he said it'd be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you. So,
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it,
thank you.
send it to you.
So what has happened is.
Thank you. Sir, in the lines, what's your name?
Austin Douglas Smith.
Are you on the docket?
That's my attorney right there. She said I was at 9, but now I'm at 11.
Okay, you're at 11?
Yeah, I was trying.
All right, I'm getting messages that you're causing problems in our hallway out there.
Another case, another reminder that court extends beyond the bench. The defendant claims he was just listening to music, but inside these walls, perception is everything. Even minor hallway behavior can shape how a judge views your credibility. Simpson doesn't yell, he warns. Follow instructions or we'll have a difficult time. That's not theater, that's real judicial caution. A courtroom thrives on order because chaos outside becomes distraction inside. What's interesting here is tone. Simpson's restraint is surgical. He knows the power imbalance and he wields it responsibly. Every defendant, no matter how small the charge, is part of a larger ecosystem of accountability. Ever wonder how judges maintain patience when every morning feels like déjà vu? This right here. Calm boundaries, no ego, no overreaction. That's control disguised as courtesy.
Oh, sorry. I didn't even know. What was I doing wrong?
Pardon?
Sorry, I didn't know. Sorry, Your Honor. I thought it was a court case that I was on. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I was listening to music.
Okay, I don't want any trouble. Anybody tells you to do something, you better follow their instructions. Otherwise, we're gonna have a real difficult time at 11.
Sir, 11. So you want me to come back in or stay in here?
Wherever you're gonna behave, you can stay.
I'm-
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court is standing recess.
All right.
That you operated an unregistered vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, also punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay, so what are you going to do in this case?
I was looking to dismiss both of them.
Yeah, I'm sure you were. How do you think that's gonna happen?
I'm not sure.
Who might know how that might happen?
My mom. I don't,
So, how old are you, young lady?
21.
You in school?
Yes.
Where? I teach there, so I know they're a lot smarter than me right now. So, my question, you want the case dismissed,
Yes.
right?
Sir.
So, who might assist you if that is a possible option in getting it dismissed?
You?
I'm not here to assist anybody.
Oh, attorney?
Oh, wow. I know. Get out. So I now will ask you the question again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. See, that's washed enough. All right. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate and on behalf of Ms. Gray, Your Honor, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand mute as my client, or ask for pre-trial date and a PR bond, Your Honor.
Dependent having waived from a reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. First thing I'll do is pre-trial will be set. Or what day?
August 7th.
To August 7th, 2024. 9 a.m. That's the bond in this case. I just set the bond. I'll get the file. I'll set her bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond.
Finally, a lighter case and an unexpected dose of humor. A 21-year-old basketball player facing a misdemeanor gets a reality check and a life lesson in the same 5 minutes. Simpson turns the courtroom into a mentorship moment, asking about college, broken bones, and dreams. Beneath the jokes lies something deeper. A judge reminding youth that the law doesn't erase ambition, that $5,000 personal recognizance bond isn't punishment, it's trust. She's being released on her word. That's a legal handshake between citizen and system. Many judges would gloss over it, but Simpson uses it to connect. It's easy to forget that judges aren't robots. They read tone, posture, even humor. This whole exchange proves one thing. Accountability doesn't have to sound cruel. What do you think? Does empathy make justice stronger or softer?
Followed are standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And young lady, what are you studying to be?
Major in sports management, minor in physical therapist.
Ah, really? That's what you really want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Really?
I love sports.
So why you want to do all that? You can just first till you need to about.
Cause I break too many bones. So why not be a physical
What kind of
therapist?
sport are you playing?
Basketball.
And breaking bones?
Yes, I broke my hip, my pinky. I get physical. You gotta get physical on the court.
I get it. So you broke all that.
Yeah,
What position?
a point guard, shooting guard.
Yeah. How are you a guard breaking up? Never mind.
When you
No, I'm
drive,
not- no, I don't
center.
even want.
When you drive, there's like 6-foot girls. I gotta get to the basket.
Okay, I mean, I get that. On a pinky?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Just mark the file, our little guard. That's what we'll. All right, we'll see you on August 7th. Who's that with you?
My mom.
Did you really break all that?
Take off work.
Wow, causing the family problems because you're breaking bones.
Yeah.
Were the points worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, darn right they were. Okay. Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Do you admit responsibility to the fact that on or about June 16, 2024, Clark Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes,
All right, court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
I'm on a fixed income right now, so I won't have any money until August the 3rd, and I'll try to pay it before then.
All
Your
right,
Honor, I am so sorry. I admit my foot just slipped off the paddle. I was already, stopped at the light in front of the car, and I looked down because my boyfriend was in the hospital, and I'm trying to sneak up there in his vehicle, unknowing where I'm at. I've never been to Ypsilanti in my life, and I was just trying to get up there to surprise him for Father's Day. However, my foot slipped. I'm not used to driving his vehicle, but I did that day because he left it in my presence. So I do admit that I did barely even bang this man's car. I was crying. I was upset. I'm
Okay.
truly upset.
and Mr.
You know,
Runner?
Yes.
Okay, I believe you on all of that. Ma'am,
Thank you.
you receive SSI?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is that a month, ma'am?
117 a month, 1,017 a month. But I also have my lights, gas, my phone bill, my groceries, all of that to buy everything, and I'm just battling cancer, pancreatic cancer. I made it through by the grace of God. Have mercy, Lord. Thank you.
This is the emotional core of the entire session. The woman admits fault, minor traffic incident, but her honesty hits like a gut punch. Cancer survivor, fixed income, genuine remorse. And Simpson? He waives every fine. That's not pity. That's discretion. The law allows leniency when humanity outweighs the infraction. Watching this moment, you realize courtrooms aren't just about guilt. They're about grace. The judge's compassion transcends the bench. He reminds her she didn't waste time. She brought joy. You can feel the room exhale. No shouting, no debate, just raw gratitude. These scenes rarely go viral, but they're the ones that restore faith in the system. Imagine being in that courtroom, witnessing justice blend with mercy. Would you have done the same in his position?
But Your Honor, I'm truly sorry.
All right,
I've
Ms.
never
Runner?
been in a car accident before in my life.
Okay, Ms. Runner,
Yes.
here's what I'm gonna do. Fines and costs of $180. I'm gonna waive that entire balance, ma'am. You
Thank
go
you.
and take it. All right, you take care of yourself, Ms. Runner.
Thank you so much. God
You're
bless
welcome.
everybody in the courtroom today. Have mercy, because I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to slip off the brake.
I know, Ms. Runner, been
Yes,
doing this a while, and I can just hear, even though I can't see you, I can hear it in your voice.
I'm
It shouldn't
sorry.
have gone this way.
Yes,
It's okay.
yes.
All right,
You
you
know,
take care of yourself.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor. God
Thank
bless
you.
you. Thank you, and it'll
Thank-
never happen again. Thank you.
I'm sure it won't, Ms. Runner.
I'm terribly
All right.
sorry. I
Yes, ma'am.
apologize, even for wasting your time. I'm
You
sorry.
you didn't waste our time. You brought joy to our day.
Oh,
Okay?
God.
So
Thank you.
you take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you so much, and you all too. God bless you. Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, God. Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm Alex Parks on behalf of Mr. Dink.
We got that this time. Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, we were finally able to reach Mr. Dinkins last night, only to find out that he's been in the hospital since Tuesday because of the defibrillator in his chest went off and shocked him. He's having a procedure today. We are able to get the court documentation of his hospital stay, and in this matter, we are requesting an adjournment.
Hold it. We have the documentation.
We are able to get you the court documentation very quickly. We found out last night from him. It took us a long time to get in contact with.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to tell me.
So we're requesting a short adjournment. There has been a plea offer in this case that our client is ready to accept. And if we could come back in 2 weeks, we would do that then.
Okay, but you don't have the documentation.
We do not have the
You're going
documentation.
to get it to me.
Yes.
So what you meant to say is you're going to get it to me. You could get it to us quickly.
Yes, we can get the
Yeah, okay,
documentation.
that's
quick.
Thank you. Probable cause conference will be adjourned August 1st, 2024. 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And young lady, do me a favor,
Yes.
all right? When you come up, you're doing just fine. Just take a deep breath, all right? And just say what you have to say, all right?
Yes, sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, boy. Here we go.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maisie Berger requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Mr. Jay Bellinger, representing my client, Ronald Fleming.
Wow. Impressive.
I memorized it for you.
I know, hey? That's what happens.
I threw away the card.
There you go. You don't need them. Permission to practice is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As the hearing closes, the energy resets. A law student nervously asks for permission to practice, and Simpson's smile seals it. From chaos to compassion, this courtroom saw every shade of human behavior. We watched defiance crash into discipline, bureaucracy meet empathy, and the law bend just enough to let humanity through. This wasn't a hearing. It was a snapshot of justice in motion. Judge Simpson showed what balance really means: authority without cruelty, humor without mockery, mercy without weakness. These cases remind us that law isn't just about punishment. It's about understanding people. And if you found this case as shocking, emotional, and unexpectedly heartwarming as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.